Meaning of dugout.
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 Dugout. A dugout can refer to several things, including a type of canoe or boat made from a hollowed-out tree trunk, a shelter made by excavating a hole in the ground, or a seating area in sports such as baseball or soccer. In general, a dugout is a structure that's partially or fully underground. It is often used for protection from the elements or as a hiding place during war or conflict. The word dugout is derived from the verb to dig, which refers to the action of excavating or removing earth or debris from the ground.